Number 10. The diagram shows a short section of a single strand of DNA. Which strand of DNA will combine with this strand to form part of a double helix? So the DNA has many bases inside, and these bases always binds with another or other bases. There's a rule called complementary base pairing. So A always binds with T, C always binds with G. So this A will have to bind with T, C with G, and T with A. So this is another side of the DNA. Remember, DNA is double-stranded, so it has two strands, and the bases always form complementary base pairings. Hence, the answer should be D.